If you want to change DPI settings on a Realme GT 8 Pro, we have two ways to do so. You can simply open settings and then go to display and brightness. And then in here, if you scroll down, you should be able to find the display size. So of course we can change the DPI by choosing large, standard, or small. There's also the easy mode, but that's just like a separate mode. And if you want to have some additional adjustments, if you want to manually adjust the DPI, then we're gonna go to About Device. Next you want to choose the version option and keep tapping on version number until you need to enter the screen lock password. And once you do so, you will see a message at the bottom of the screen that you are now a developer. We're gonna go back to Settings and open a System and Update, and then go to Developer Options. In here we need to scroll down a little bit until you actually find the smallest width option. The default value is 360, and the bigger the number is, the smaller all elements will be. But you don't want to use like a really high number because you can mess things up and it might be difficult to revert these changes. But for example, I'm gonna type 600. And now as you can see, everything is much smaller. And on the other hand, if I use like, let's say 300, then everything will be much bigger. There we go. I believe the limit is 320. So there are some limits applied over here. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.